cleaning business can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can achieve steady growth while maintaining exceptional service. Here are 10 proven tips to help you succeed. First, focus on high-quality service. Satisfied clients lead to repeat business and powerful word-of-mouth referrals. Exceeding expectations builds a premium reputation and allows you to command higher rates. Streamline operations for efficiency. Use digital tools for scheduling, job tracking, and employee management to save time and serve more clients each day. Leverage technology like CRM systems and online booking platforms to simplify tasks and enhance customer satisfaction. These tools improve organization and reduce human error. Build a strong brand identity. A professional logo, a well-designed website, and consistent messaging help your business stand out and attract loyal customers. Diversify your service offerings. Adding options like carpet cleaning or window washing allows you to reach a broader audience and create additional revenue streams. Hire and train a reliable team. Skilled and trustworthy employees ensure consistent service quality, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. Retaining customers is just as important as acquiring new ones. Develop loyalty programs, offer discounts, and maintain excellent communication to keep your clients coming back. Optimize your pricing. Ensure your rates reflect the value you provide while maintaining profitability. Don't hesitate to charge a premium for high-quality services. Marketing is key to reaching new clients. Invest in social media, SEO, and local advertising while encouraging referrals through incentives. Finally, partner with local businesses like real estate agencies or event planners to secure steady work and expand your network. By combining quality service, smart operations, and effective marketing, you can scale your cleaning business sustainably and build lasting success. Ready to take your cleaning business to the next level? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business grow. If you need more tips and guidance, contact us for expert advice on scaling your cleaning company. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you next time.